Good afternoon. How you making out? Doing all right. We're back here on a beautiful January 30th afternoon. Another beautiful, nice day. You can see the nice clouds and going to be a nice sunset tonight too. You can see in the back. Anyway, our last video we showed you, we told you we're gearing up for planting. So we showed you how we're going to light everything. And somebody in our local area saw that video, and they had an old garage that the tarp had blown off of it. And they said, if you're looking to get more greenhouses this year, why don't you come down and get mine? So that was a nice offer. So that's what we did today. I didn't film when we took it down. I wasn't thinking at the time. But when we got it back to the farm here and started putting together, I thought it would be a good thing to show you how we put it together. I may have to bleep some of the comments. We'll see how it goes. But that's the video today, is us putting together the new greenhouse.
Hey, hi now.
Well, we almost had it.
Hey, man, get the top piece. Put that on first.
Oh,
Oh, you got quick stuff, huh? This is a 5L on this one.
I don't think it matters anyway. I think they're all the same.
Should be
Well, they're all the same, but
You probably gotta get in the middle one. The middle, there. What do you think's easiest to? You know where you gotta be twisted.
good go. You should have gone when you pulled this your way. I should do it, shouldn't I? Oh, that's gotta go. Oh, there we go.
Then you see it. Hammer? You need a hammer? You just said not to record up and down. That's what Corey was doing to me.
You don't know.
Recorded.
You don't know no different. Don't get my belly.
I'm gonna say get Craig here.
No.
All I see. All I see. Would it be better if we put one of them side ones in here now?
Oh, that'll get views anyway.
I just need a short one. Short one for here. Short, small, whatever you want to call it. Oh, you.
Oh man! Open
come right on to it.
Oh, Corey was grunt.
No, it ain't gonna work.
Who do we want in first? Dead then.
Yeah, what's that friggin' tanky? Streets ahead.
Gotta come your way a little bit.
Come my way.
These ones are big ones.
Or I gotta tap it.
Don't take this. More.
Oh! You alright?
Didn't get that on tape. Gotta come.
I'm impressed how smart tanky is.
Camera.
Yeah.
Corey, you can't get that on tape.
Super easy. We got enough food.
I got one here.
Small one?
Yeah.
Why are you holding on to that?
I might eat it. Think we're gonna need another one though.
You got one more falling maybe? So we need one for there.
Yeah, look at that background. Beautiful.
I picked up a nut, but you're short screw.
A short one.
That's all right.
Just use a big one. You're gonna need that big one for here. Actually, no. We need those for these four. So we just need another
Yeah, small.
small one.
Perfect.
Pick short too. Do you have any more cross pipes?
Oh, you guys must have dropped some on the road.
Don't look at me, Corey. I was with you.
So where's the pipe? This pipe?
Wait a little bit.
You will? Yeah, I'm
Man, that's so every time.
come right onto her.
Hammer.
Back her up, 1/4 inch.
Oh, there's none here. There's none here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would figure it out.
Yeah, a lot bigger. There's last year's. There's this year's.
Yeah, you can put
There's a lot of high waisted space. Yeah.
use that for storage.
Grow planters.
Hanging baskets.
Hanging down.
So here's the end product. I'm inside the new greenhouse that we're going to be putting up. This probably isn't going to be the location it's going to stay, but this is where it is for now. I'll give you a little look here. You can see how high it is compared to our old greenhouse from last year. Kind of excited. That means our cherry tomatoes and our cucumbers are going to have a long place to grow and produce more fruit. Going to be really high. I know I'm not going to be able to reach it. Probably have to get some kind of a ladder or something to pick the fruit later, but I'm excited to see how the plants will grow in this building here. So that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See you later.